How to take a scrolling screenshots on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to take scrolling screenshots on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. So you can use built-in scrolling screenshot feature. Most Android phones running Android 12 and later can take screenshots by pressing power and volume down buttons together. So as you can see, we took a screenshot just now. Other way is you can simply go to the settings and look different ways to take screenshots on your device. Open setting and then you need to navigate to additional settings. Then here you can get the option of screenshots. So this Android facilitates different ways to take screenshots like three finger swipe down, three finger touch and hold, and press and volume down buttons. So here you have the tutorials as well. If you wish to have a screenshot sound, you can turn on the button and delete original image after editing by turning on the button. So you can easily look for the tutorial and then take a partial or scrolling screenshot through three finger touch and hold. So here you can take screenshots by dragging to select a rectangular area, or you can choose any of the shape and then select edit and tap the tick mark once done. So method 2, you can use manufacturers specific features. Some brands have their own scrolling screenshot tools like Samsung use palm swipe or press down volume button and power button then tap scroll capture. In OnePlus, they take a screenshot and select expanded screenshots. You can even use third-party application if your phone doesn't support scrolling screenshots. You can try apps like Screen Master, Longshot for a login screenshot. And in this way, you can easily take scrolling screenshots on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.